Heyo, it's James at the Five Shack again. Today's cocktail, we're going to be trying a jungle bird. Now, I've tried this a bit ago and I didn't like it, but I've seen another recipe. I thought I'll give it a second chance, you know what I mean? So, let's crack on. Starts off with 45ml of dark rum. Yep, basic rum. We don't mess about here. 45. Following that up with some sugar syrup, and this one is 15ml. I'll tell you, I've got shakes, yeah. You know when you're still a bit tender from night before, pissed up? God. One of them, innit? We've all had a few, haven't we? Then there's this one, Campari. As you can see, there's quite a bit in there. Well, there's a fucking lot, to be honest, because we bought this to try Jungle Bird and I've never used it since. But you know what I mean? Oh, 22.5 it says. There we go. I mean, who drinks this shit? Even if I like to, I don't. It's going down in one. Where am I? Fuck. Well, what makes you bad makes you better, doesn't it? That's what they say. 15ml lime. Then there's last ingredient, because we're not... Fucking hell. You know what? I was right in the mood for doing a cocktail video and I can't even get my fucking words right, can I? But here we go. 45ml pineapple. And that's it. And as always, if you like it, if you like watching me making a complete fucking twat of myself, like, subscribe. If not, don't. I don't need to tell you that, do I? So, ice this up. There we go. We're going to give it a shake and then see if this one's any better. If not, I'm lobbing it down garden. Believe that. There we go. Got my glass. Got my ice on my head. The Jungle Bird. Oh, 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 oh. Do, 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 do. I don't need to put ice in, do I? I don't need to do it, I'm just going to taste it. Let's get to it. Oh, that's shit. I don't get this. Anyway, here we go. Oh. Yeah. Anyway, James, Five Shack, if you can see it.